S&P 500 index going up from here or going down or remain lackluster? In this video, I'm going to talk about it. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Ehtesham Khan and you are watching Market Think Tank, where we do a lot of technical analysis on different markets. We discuss markets, we discuss where we are standing, where we are going in the market in future, and we discuss indices, stocks, commodities, gold and oil. If you are new here, consider subscribing my channel, and if you have some time, just visit the other videos and have a look on the different technical materials. So let's get started and have a look what is happening in S&P 500 index technically. Today is 25th of January 2018 and market is trading around 2630. Year to date return is 5%. Now let's have a look on the long-term charts. So if you just look at the chart here, we got a very good decline in markets. It touched the high of 2940 back in September 2018, and since then we got a pressure. The total decline was in two legs. In first leg, market came down from the 2940 highs to the low of 2600, and then we got some pullback, and finally we got another leg of decline. So the total decline in market from the peak is almost 20% so far. And then we saw a major pullback. We got a big monster pullback just after the Christmas, after consecutive sessions of downward rally. Just here Santa Claus came in and market moved up, and later on we got slowed down in momentum just here. So it seems like the momentum is stalled somewhere on this above 2600 level, because we have got a cluster of resistance between 2600 to 2700, and what are those resistance levels and what are those hurdles, we are going to talk about it shortly. So now let's talk about the current move from the Elliott Wave perspective. As I discussed in my last video, there are 5 impulse waves followed by 3 corrective waves. So there are 8 waves in total in Elliott Wave, and if you just map those 5 waves impulse, so we can easily see from the current pullback we are getting some impulses. Just like here, we got wave 1 first up, and then 2, and this wave 3 is completed just here, and probably we are in wave 4 right now. So we might get another upside from here for the last time, followed by the correction. As we discussed last time, current move cannot be simple impulse on the downside, because we got overlapping, because the wave 4 was going in the territory of wave 1, which was a violation of Elliott Wave rule. So we have the possibility of extension in wave 3. So wave 1 is here, and then wave 2, as we discussed, it is a sort of running flat, and within the wave 2 we are getting extension in wave 3. There are 5 impulses always So this is something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in flat formation, we have 3-3-5 structure. Now from an Elliott Wave training perspective, I just wanted to tell you, in our training module we have talked about what are the important waves in terms of trading opportunities to look at and to trade. I want to emphasize you to just have a look on our Elliott Wave course online. Syed Misbah Maghul, seasoned investment manager, one of the best Elliott Wave guy in town, teaching you the skills to surf on the wave. So go check out our training portion and sharpen your skills. So just to talk about the Elliott Wave perspective implication of having 5 wave impulse wave completed, we can anticipate a correction. If we apply Elliott Wave guideline, we can forecast a corrective moves, and that would argue for retracement till the previous 4th wave extreme of the one last degree. We have corrective structure down here. I'm assuming it can be a flat correction as well, which is a 3-3-5 waves. As we know, we can have 3 wave down here initially, then 3 wave up, and then 5 wave decline. So something like this. Initially we will get 3 wave down, and then 3 wave up, and finally 5 wave down. So within this first decline, we will get 3 wave in decline. Since it is a flat correction, it's a 3-3-5. So the first decline is 3 wave, followed by the upward correction in 3 wave, and then the final drop in 5 waves. Something like this. So 3 wave down, 3 wave up, and followed by 5 wave down. So I'm assuming it can be a flat correction as well, 3-3-5 waves. And within the 3 wave, we are just getting first A, then we will get B, and then C up. And after completing wave B, we might get 5 wave on the downside. So it's a perfect flat correction pattern. So this whole area is very important. If we just go deeper and have a look on the structure of this wave, so we might get a clear 5 wave up in this move. Actually, we got wave 1, wave 2 here, and wave 3 is completing here. Wave 1, wave 2 here, and wave 3 has completed here, and we are now in wave 4. And after the completion of wave 4, we will be going up again in wave 5. So within the wave 3, we have got a very good minor waves, minor impulses as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after that, after the completion of wave 3, we got a very good impulse down in wave A, and wave B is completing upside over there, and now it is coming down in wave C. If we just look closely to this current decline, we can easily see this is impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this current decline is completing wave A down here. It will go up in wave B, and will complete wave C. So wave 4 expectedly will complete something like that, and then we will head again for wave 5. So this is a very good impulse structure that we are getting right now, and remember, this is overall in wave A. So just have a look, we will complete here wave 4, we will complete here, and then we will go for wave 5. So apparently this zone, this 2700 zone, is going to be very important. Why I'm telling this? Because a lot of resistance is coming in play around these levels, as I discussed earlier. Let's have a look why I'm telling this 2700 zone is very important. First of all, if you just draw a trend line and connecting these two peaks, first of all, if you just have a trend line and connect these two peaks and get a parallel trend line down here, we will observe that index is just penetrating above this trend line. So we have got channel resistance somewhere around these levels, along with a short-term resistance line as well around the same level, and also if we add 200-day exponential moving average, which is also coming around the same levels. So overall, this zone, this shaded area, is going to be very important. It's a sort of battleground between the bulls and bears. We have got a lot of resistance, and market is just trying to penetrate those levels. So ideally speaking, I would recommend to stay away from the market right now and wait for next couple of days and to observe what is happening in the market going forward. Also, if we just look at the momentum indicator, we can note the selling intensifies. We got a new low in momentum, new low in price. So we got a confirmation on a downward trend, but positive divergence is still not there. So it happens for me to get a positive divergence. So until and unless we will not get any positive divergences, we should wait and we should not jump into the market. So overall, I must say this whole zone is going to be very important. 2600 to 2630 to 2700 is going to be very important, as I discussed earlier. We are in wave 4 of the upward move, and we might be completing wave A in wave 4, followed by we will get wave B, a minor pullback, and then back again in wave C, where we will complete wave 4, and then we will go up for the final run, something like this. And after completing this, we might come down in wave B and then wave C. So if you just recall the pattern that I discussed earlier, something like this is happening. Otherwise, the alternative count can be a contractory alternative count can be a contractory triangle. How? Just have a look here. We will get A down here, then B. So the current pullback can be termed as B, then we will come back again in C, then market will go up again in D and come down in E until we get a final breakout and market will shoot up in fifth wave. So these are the possibilities, guys. I hope you got something out of it. You find this video worthwhile. If you do, just subscribe to my channel and comment in the comment box, and do write anything if you like me to answer and to comment on. Thank you for watching Market Think Tank. Take care.